Sunshine is inexpensive, clean, renewable, and abundant. A mere hour and a half of sunlight would be enough to take care of the entire world's energy consumption for a year. Consumers are increasingly catching on that solar power is a bright idea. In 2022, Americans installed enough solar panels to power 22 million homes. Solar energy is also powering an array of new camping gear, household items, and more. Here are 5 gadgets to light up your life with minimal impact on the ecosystem. Number 1. Urbanista Headphones. Named after a city synonymous with sunshine, Urbanista's noise-canceling Los Angeles headphones feature a layer of powerfoil solar cells on the headband to continuously soak up sunshine, whether you're rocking them outside or storing them on a windowsill. Unless you live under a rock, these wireless headphones can continually stay charged, and there's a USB-C adapter just in case you have to head underground. Block out the world and tune into the moment with just a single press of a button with advanced noise cancellation technology. Hybrid noise-canceling technology intelligently helps to isolate and cancel out unwanted background noise for immersive audio without interruptions. Ambient sound mode lets you stay aware of important surrounding sounds while you travel by air, sea, car, or on foot. Number 2. Oven. If you want to forego a campfire, GoSun's innovative portable oven captures sunlight to cook a meal in as little as 20 minutes. The Sport Pro Edition weighs 7 pounds and comes with baking cups, an extra cooking pan, boiling accessory, and carrying case. The company offers smaller and larger versions. Make sure to watch GoSun's how-to videos for pointers before attempting to cook a culinary masterpiece. Fastest solar oven available. Cooks a meal in as little as 20 minutes, reaching temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, 290 degrees Celsius in full sunlight. The sun oven is effective at capturing ultraviolet light and holding its heat. If you can see a defined shadow, you can cook. No fire hazard here. The portable stove for camping prioritizes safety. The stove's solar vacuum tube cooking chamber provides a near-perfect layer of insulation, keeping the exterior surface cool even while hot inside. Number 3. Grouphug Window Charger. As showcased on Shark Tank, Grouphug's framed panel hangs in a sunny window and harnesses enough energy to charge a smartphone or other gadgets via a USB-A jack. A series of lights indicates the level of charge, and it takes about 10 hours of rays to completely power up the 3,400 mAh battery. In case of accidents, Grouphug also designed the charger to be repairable, so it should never have to end up in a landfill. This solar panel converts sunlight into electrical energy as 6-volt rechargeable battery solar charger. It is energy-saving, environmental-friendly, and pollution-free. One rugged monocrystalline solar panel. Waterproof, UV, and scratch-resistant, designed for 10+ years of outdoor use in any condition. For BikeShare DC System public rental bicycle solar cell monocrystalline universal, cell phone, power bank, camping lanterns, and so on. Number 4. Logitech Keyboard. If you desire to write the next great American novel on the beach while sipping a spritz, Logitech's solar keyboard can help make it a reality. The device uses solar panels located above the keys to charge. The input device can stay powered for at least 3 months, which means you could have tan lines and a potential bestseller by Easter. K750 Wireless Solar Keyboard features Logitech Advanced 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, giving you the same reliability of a cord plus wireless convenience and freedom. The Logitech Unifying Receiver gives you up to 33 feet 1 of wireless freedom and lets you pair up to 6 compatible Logitech peripherals. Fewer cords, less hassle, and one easy workflow. This solar panel converts sunlight into electrical energy as 6-volt rechargeable battery solar charger. It is energy-saving, environmental-friendly, and pollution-free. Number 5. Abfoce Portable Speaker. Abfoce's portable Bluetooth speaker includes the option to charge either with a traditional outlet or solar cells. It's recommended to fully charge with a cable before heading out. Once you're out in the sun all day, the speaker will continue to power up, allowing users to listen to up to 60 hours of tunes. Bonus, the device can also work as a portable charger for smartphones and other devices. Built-in 12-watt high-performance speakers, Bluetooth wireless, it can deliver a crystal-clear sound experience, even at maximum volume, without any breaking sound, in the same way as the live concert performance. The louder volume makes the Abfoce T65 portable Bluetooth speakers the perfect speaker for any room and the ideal outdoor speakers.